Hi, welcome to Fusion 360 video tutorial. Another basic exercise for a revolve and a circular pattern. Pretty easy to do, so let's have fun with Fusion 360. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. And I need a profile which looks something like this. Okay, now turn this line into a center line, like that. And now we can have half diameter dimensions. Maybe like that. Great. Now those dimensions. Now adjust those. So let's start here. This should be 14. So this went down. Nice. Move it up. This should be 24. That's really nice. Where's the other one? That's down below. There, move it up. This should be 28. That's amazing. Not really. It's more like annoying. And this should be 40. And this should be 80. Now let's adjust those here. That's over here. This should be 10. This should be 30. Crazy. This should be 72. This might be 95. No, first change this one to 107. And then with this one to 95. And that dimension hopping here is really most disturbing or even terribly annoying. So move it. Where's the last one? Oh, it's there. Okay. Now one constraint is needed. So put this point here onto that origin and it's fully defined. Finish the sketch. Now we can do revolve and that center line will be recognized. And I want to go for 360 degrees. So let's confirm this. Now for the hole I need a point. So I will do a point on this plane here with a sketch. So go for a sketch on that plane here. Make a point, put it somewhere over here, align it with that one here, and give it a dimension, and that dimension should be 30. Finish that sketch. Now we can make a hole. It should be this is case it could go through all. That's okay, that doesn't really matter. So select that sketch point, go for 11 millimeter. Really no target found, so just reverse the direction and confirm. Now I need a circular pattern. So go to create, go to pattern, choose circular pattern. I don't want to pattern the body, I want to pattern a feature, this feature here. The axis should be, in this case, the y-axis. This one. I want to get a full circle, yes, and I want to have 4 instances. And I'm done. So I hope it was helpful, I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Instagram and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.